Hello everyone, welcome to our video 10 English phrases you need at the grocery store. In this lesson, we will teach you simple real life phrases that you can use when shopping. So let's begin. Have you ever walked into a grocery store and didn't know what to say in English? Don't worry. Today, we will fix that. In this video, you will learn 10 practical English phrases you can use while shopping. These are easy to remember and super useful for everyday conversations. So ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with the first three phrases you will use right when you enter the store. So phrase 1, do you have a basket or a cart? You can ask, excuse me, do you have a basket or a cart I can use? Phrase 2, where can I find the item? Say, where can I find the rice? You can use these for any item like milk, bread, sugar, etc. Phrase 3, is this on sale? Ask this when you want to know if an item is discounted. Like, is this cereal on sale today? Now, here are three phrases you will use when checking prices or quality. So, phrase 4, how much is this per kilo? For example, how much is this mango per kilo? It's very useful at fruit and meat sections. Phrase 5, can I get this sliced? In a bakery, you can ask, can I get this cheese sliced, please? Phrase 6, do you have a fresher one? You can use this when the item looks old or not so fresh. For example, do you have a fresher pack of strawberries? Now, let's move to payment and checkout phrases. Phrase 7, can I pay by card? You might ask, can I pay by card or is it cash only? Phrase 8, do you have change for this? For example, do you have change for 100? Phrase 9, can I get a bag please? You can ask, can I get a paper bag please? This is common now that stores charge for bags. Phrase 10, can I return this if it is damaged? You can ask this for electronics, glass, or packaged items. Can I return this if something is wrong with it? So now it's your turn to practice. I will say each phrase twice. You repeat after me. Okay? So let's start. Where can I find the rice? Where can I find the rice? Can I get a bag please? Can I get a bag please? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Do you have a fresher one? Do you have a fresher one? Great job. Keep practicing to sound more natural. So you did great today. Which phrase was most useful for you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. More English lessons are coming soon. So see you next time.